everyone, it's Adira Deary once again. I started today morning by doing my plant related chores. Here's how I repot and propagate my succulent plants. The first one is of the common house leek variety. That happens to be the very first succulent I got on since I've reached New Zealand. Would you believe me if I tell you that I got it from the yard of our home? I got it laying down, withered into a shell of a husk. Putting on the gloves may be a bit of a tedious task, but it's worth it in the end. I love the feeling that I get while repotting a plant, as it makes me feel like I'm making a new cozy home for them. This is how tiny the mother plant was at the beginning. One down, another to go. Today is a bright sunny day, so I thought of spending time outside, soaking up some refreshing sunlight. I love the fragrance of freshly washed clothes and the sight of them fluttering in the wind. It makes me think how fleeting life is, and then it calms my mind somehow. My summer garden is in full bloom. How pretty! The family next door is renovating their home, hence all the loud noises. And that's the absolutely adorable toddler living next door. She always manages to crack me up. She's a chaotic yet lovely chatterbox. The last one I'm repotting is the Echeveria elegans. I got some tiny little specimens of this variety while I was on a walk in the neighborhood. This is the compost I bought from Bunnings. It's a famous chain store here in New Zealand. The soil I use here is a mixture of several components. I also use small amounts of perlite and gravel as well to keep the soil lightweight and well drained. I promise it prolongs their life expectancy. This is how it actually looked like, just like tiny whiny baby sprouts. Succulents are so easy to grow and maintain, even when it gets the minimal care it warrants. The repotting is all done, and now it's art project time. These are the petals that I kept from the mother plant, and this is how I propagate my succulents without wasting petals that I took out during repotting. For me, aesthetics is key no matter what I do. I know, I'm just a bit cray-cray like that. All jokes apart, I'll care for it like a mother who takes care of her child. And this is how it's done. These will grow roots slowly but surely and transform into plumpy succulents. Finally, it's time for them to go to their own cozy corners. Keeping them in well-lit places inside the home seems to keep them healthy and plump. And keep in mind, watering should be done only when the soil is dry. And you'll be able to enjoy these cuties for a lifetime.